Hello, Peter checking in, and it's day 20 of our meditation series. Do I need a special area to meditate? Well, it really helps to get yourself away from the hustle and bustle of the house. If you live in a busy or noisy house, really important to get yourself away from that. Any distractions like the television, the radio, soft music's good, you set your room up nicely, but yes, you try and find a calming space, or a space where you're not going to get distracted, so you can actually learn to really focus on yourself for those moments. That's why I love Qigong. I love Qigong because you're actually being guided by somebody else. I do many Qigong classes online, but I actually teach online as well, which you can experience the classes on this channel. So it's a great place to find for yourself. So yes, I would say yes, definitely do that. If you haven't tried it already, there's a webinar with 5 meditation techniques that you can try absolutely free if you just click the link. If you want to try a Qigong class, just subscribe and push the bell notification button. You'll get notified each time I'm releasing a Qigong class, which is roughly about 2 a week. So I'll see you at one of those classes, and keep going, you're nearly there.